Excel makes it very easy to apply conditional formatting. For example, I have these values right here. So let's say I want to highlight average or above average and so forth. So I can simply select the cell over here, go to the conditional formatting section right here, and then I can select the highlight cell rules. For example, I can select highlight something which is greater than. So I'm going to go over here, highlight cells greater than, and I'm going to say greater than. I want to select values which are greater than 4,000, for example. So all of the values are selected, as you can see right here. So I can change the values. For example, right now it's light red filled with dark red text. So I can have yellow or something else, so green and so forth. I can also have a custom format, so I can either bold them out, or I can actually italics them out and so forth. So I can bold them, press OK, and those actually bolds out just like that. So if I want to remove all of the conditional formatting right here, I can simply go over here and then clear the rules right here. Clear rules from selected cells, just like that. I can go over here and you can see that I can also go for something else. So less than, or in between, or equal to, and so forth. So over here, I'm going to go for something which is there as a preset. For example, I want to highlight the top 10%. So it highlights the top 10%, as you can see right here. And I can also go over here, conditional formatting, highlight the bottom 10%, as you can see right here. I can also increase this range just like this, and it'll keep on increasing the highlighting portion just like this. And just like before, I can select different type of highlights over here, just like that. I can also go over here, go to something like data bars. If you want to display different type of data bars, as you can see, so it makes a bar chart out of the data that is actually available over there. But let's say I want to hide the numbers. What I can do is I can go into conditional formatting right here. I can go to more rules, and I can just disable the show bar only. There are different type of settings that you can actually add in. You can have a border right here and so forth. I can also show bar only and press OK, and there you go. You can see the border and you see the bar only. But when I select the bar, you can see that the number is still there. So if you are doing a presentation, you want to hide the actual values, then this might come in handy. So I'm going to go into conditional formatting again and going to clear rules from selected cells. You get the data back. Similarly, you got the data bar, you got the color scale over here. So you can see that you have the color scale for different values over here. You can even go to more rules, and you can see the preview right here. So I want the lower value to have a color of black, and brighter to have a color of maybe blue, for example. And I'm going to press OK. So brighter value becomes blue, and lower value becomes black, as you can see right there. So I can also go over here. So let's say, for example, conditional formatting, there's the color scale. There's also something called the icon set. So you can see that I can select different directional icons. So this has a lower value, this has the higher value, and so forth. So I'm going to go over here into different icon sets. You can color code them. You can have a rating right here. So for example, this is the highest number right here. Just like that, just like in the graph, you can actually hide the numbers, and for that you can go to conditional formatting, manage rules, and then go into the icon set, go to edit rule right here, and then show the icon only and press OK. So once I do that, you can see that you only see the icon and you don't see the numbers, just like that. So you can see that there are different set of conditional formatting that you can apply to quite easily without much hassle. So that is how you can apply conditional formatting inside of Microsoft Excel. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.